This video will provide instructions on how to add device calibration parameters for your installed devices. To get started, simply log onto your dashboard by going to dashboard.incyt.io or by using the INCYT by LX app. You can access the device calibration card by going to Devices and then Tile View, selecting a device and pressing the spanner symbol on the top right corner. As an example of additional parameters, for a soil moisture probe, these would be the soil type and moisture content option. For an ultrasonic tank sensor, this would be the dimensions of the tank that you are using the sensor in. For the flow rate sensor, this would be the pipe diameter. Don't worry, if you don't have this information to hand when editing your device for the first time, you can go back in and add them once you have the relevant inputs.